Symmetry. Introduction. You will find that many objects around you are symmetrical. If we draw these objects, they can be divided in such way that their two parts coincide with each other. Line symmetry. The line which divides a figure into two identical parts is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Note, an object can have one or more than one lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry for regular polygon. A closed figure made from several line segments is called a polygon. A polygon with all sides and all angles are equal is called a regular polygon. In a regular polygon, the number of sides is equal to number of axes of symmetry. Rotational symmetry. If we rotate a figure about a fixed point by a certain angle and the figure looks exactly the same as before, we say that the figure has rotational symmetry. Angle of rotational symmetry. The minimum angle rotation of a figure to get exactly the same figure as original is called the angle of rotational symmetry or angle rotation. Order of rotational symmetry. The number of times a figure rotated through its angle of rotational symmetry before it comes to original position is called order of rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. The center of rotational symmetry of a square is its intersection point of its diagonals. The angle of rotational symmetry for a square is 90 degrees. The order of rotational symmetry for a square is 4. Note: it is important to understand that all figures have rotational symmetry of order 1, as can be rotated completely through 360 degrees to come back to its original position. So we say that an object has rotational symmetry only when the order of symmetry is more than 1. Line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Some shapes only have line segments and some have only rotation symmetry, and some have both. Squares, equilateral triangles and circles have both line and rotational symmetry. Examples of line symmetry and rotational symmetry. In English alphabet, we can see some examples for line symmetry and rotational symmetry and both. Line symmetry, C and E. Rotational symmetry, S, Z and N. Line and rotational symmetry, H and O.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.